In this video, I'll show you how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. So to get you started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open your PayPal application on your device. And here, sign in into your account and click on that send button at the bottom left of your screen. So in this section, your contacts will pop up, and since due to PayPal's privacy issue, this won't be shown during the screen recording. So after you select that specific contact, this will pop up on your screen. So in here, you can actually set the relation that you have with this user into friends and family. So simply check that, and in here, you'll be able to find the breakdown of the fees that you'll need to pay, which is deducted directly into the money that you'll send over to that user. And once you hit on that send button, that money will be sent into your friends and family on PayPal. And that's basically how you can simply send money as friends and family on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.